I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and opening the TV network menu. First, confirm your LG TV firmware is current so Wi-Fi Direct works reliably. Once done, power the TV and navigate to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi Direct. Make sure the sending device, phone or laptop, has Wi-Fi Direct active and is within a few meters. This improves connection reliability. You now see the TV listed as a discoverable device. Tap or select the TV from the sending device to initiate pairing. Next, you complete the pairing and choose what to share. When the sending device finds the TV, select the TV name. A pairing request appears on both screens. Enter the PIN shown on the TV if prompted, or confirm the auto accept dialog. Once paired, select the mode: screen mirror for full display or media share for photos and video files. Make sure to grant any permission prompts for network access or media sharing. The connection usually establishes in a few seconds, and you'll see confirmation on the TV. To finish, stop sharing from the sending device or switch the TV input back to your usual source. This cleanly ends the Wi-Fi Direct session. If pairing fails, restart both devices and toggle Wi-Fi Direct off then on, because temporary service hangs are common. Make sure no VPNs, mobile hotspots, or heavy interference are active. These can block direct connections. One key troubleshooting tip: move devices closer and disable battery saver on the phone. That often resolves intermittent drops quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.